Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to clear your iPhone background app history. When you open any apps, it is still on your iPhone background app. Now open another apps. Open another apps. Now you see your all app history are here. Which app you open, all that here. Now we need to clear it. How to clear this app history? You will clear this app history by two systems. On, place your finger and swipe up. You see some app list that you use. Now swipe up, you see this app will clear. You see this app clear. And another way to clear this app history by assistive touch. Click on it and double click on home, then swipe up. You can easily clear your iPhone background app history. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos.